was out here the other night with Jim filming, and the heater was on, and when I went back and went through the footage, couldn't hear anything. That stupid heater is too loud. But anyway, Jim got the brilliant idea of trying to align this front end up a little better because the fender was touching here, and it would hit the door. Every time you open the door would rub on the fender. And so anyway, we got into it and discovered the fender was welded on. You can see, maybe you can't see, but it was brazed on right here. Bunch of brass in there. It was welded and fiberglassed on the bottom. There was no bolts anywhere on the back of this fender doing anything. So that turned into a nightmare. Got the fender pulled out and all broke free. I was able to get a bolt back in here, got a bolt in the bottom. We welded this mounting tab was just broke off the fender, so instead of welding it back onto the fender, bolting it down, they just welded the fender on. So we welded that on, bumped up the paint right there, chipped the paint right here, no big deal. So now the fender fits a lot better. Now the issue I have is with the door. I need to adjust the door in. It needs to rock in on the bottom, which isn't so easy. I think I'm gonna have to pull the door panel because the screws that are going into the door on the door side, I think there's nuts on them because they're just spinning and they're all kind of loose. So I guess I'll pull the door panel off and move. No, that took exactly no time at all to get the door panel off. I see they have a sweet vapor barrier. So here, it's always fun to see what's going on here, and as I suspected, you can see there's nuts on the back side of those, which are just spinning. I'm hoping I can loosen those and slide the door in some. Just don't know if that's going to happen or not, but we'll find out. Something happened to this door sometime. You can see the skin is right here. It's ripped out from under, or the shell, I mean, is ripped out from under the skin. Right there. You can see where it used to be spot welded. There. And, yeah. I'm not really sure how that happened. It appears it's the original skin, but that's why the fender don't fit the door very good right here. But we'll revisit that at a later time. Now I'm going to loosen up these and see if I can move the door at all. Good times. Just unbolting everything, meaning that we're all done with this project. Figured just time to take her apart. Little poor planning in the planning department leads to a little re-engineering here. This non-vented fuel tank situation leads to pressure in the tank and carburetors that like to overfill. So instead of just drawing a hole right here or right here like I want them to do, somebody wants to take everything apart. Never guess who that would be.
They're not here today.
Oh, so what now?
You're gonna have to set the camera down.
I can't. I'm making a video.
You should have brought up the tripod instead of your little aluminum.
I don't have that handle with me right now. Where's Angel?
I don't know.
Oh, let's take everything apart now. We lost our memory. Right. Recalibrating.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. I don't have any of that stuff on video on how the system sucks, so don't buy it. I recorded so much stuff. All this Fender work we did. And none of it had any audio, so I lost it all. The door adjusting, everything. Oh, hey, I got that inner fender brace that we need for this Fender. Angel bought it for some reason. Just figured it was time for a teardown. Want to get busy on it?
Yeah.
When you're in the mood to take stuff apart that we were done with. I gotta set the camera down. I don't know if you noticed, but Jim's pissed.
Fix that at the same time.
Fix what? The water trap? So we can get to it?
Well, we can. If we want to. Move it out further.
Unbelievable. So yeah, I had a bunch of footage about adjusting this door. It's off jack stands right now, so that's why that's like that. But it was welded on right here. Was fiberglassed and welded on the bottom. No bolts anywhere on the back of the fender. Just welds and fiberglass. So we got that off, messed with it, made it so it actually bolted on, got it so it doesn't hit the door down there where it was. And so that's good enough for now. Angel bought me the inner fender brace it needs, which is all rusted off. And so yeah, eventually we'll get into fixing that, but no time soon. But we got that going on. Just putting this vent in this gas tank so it quits pressurizing everything. Got the new whiteboard up with all the projects on her. Yeah, so this, hopefully, this is the last situation on this. This will be done for now. I'm gonna move the Model A over here where all this row of crap is, backed into this corner, and then the Ford will be where the bug is, pulled up to it, and then we'll have all this open room over here to put a bug to work on it. We'll be bringing Jim's wife's bug over and taking mine over to their house. And we'll be doing some rust repair to that car on the lower hinge posts and replacing the front apron and then painting the sides. Yeah. We ran out of gas in this last weekend, so that was an adventure. Pushing this thing up a hill. So that was good. That's all I got.
Let me just get your free batteries.
Right.
Let me in here.
Oh, unbelievable.
Look at all those.
Right. That's why these light bulbs cost so much. All the batteries in this thing. Appreciate that. I'm sure I'll need those sometime soon.
Well, just think if you want to jump a fucking little light.
Here's how you modify your 1954 dome light to
yeah, Lace or Bailey come over.
yeah, to fix
Bailey.
for LED bulbs. You buy that, buy a bulb,
You come over and
bang
fix
bang
it.
boom, get some new lenses because mine are melted.
Yeah, get down.
Say hi to Bailey. But she's all wet, so you don't touch her anymore.
Sit. Good girl.
Okay, I'll touch your head. Not because I want to. I don't want to eat the camera still.
Hey,
Angel tried to feed you this.
Oh, that's right. That's what I forgot about that thing. Yeah. So, staring at it like.
There you go. Need some new lenses. Got those ordered. Much better. ET likes it. Amazing. And now we're officially done.